Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Okay. Today we will learn a new letter, but before starting the new lesson, new letter, you have to make happy faces like this. Okay? Have you made happy faces? Okay, now we will start new letter C, part 1. This letter name is C and its phonic is K. Its phonic is K. K. C, K. Okay, I have lots of friends of C. Do you want to see them? What is this? This one and this. What are these? Cars. Cars begins with phonic k, k, car, k, cars, k, cars. Okay, now next friend is cow. What's its name? Cow. Cow begins with phonic k, k, cow, k, cow. Okay. Next friend is this one. What is it? Do you know? It is clown. Clown begins with phonic k, k, clown, k, clown, k, clown. Okay, next, these are candles. Candles begins with phonic k, k, candles, k, candles. Next one is, look at this. These are clouds. Blue clouds, white clouds. Clouds begins with phonic k, k, clouds, k, clouds. Okay, I have one more beautiful pet animal. What's its name? Its name is cat. Cat begins with phonic k, k, cat, k, cat. Now look at this picture. What is it? It's a camel. I have another camel. Camel begins with phonic k, k, camel, k, camel. Okay, look at this. I have a clock. This is a clock. Clock begins with phonic k, k, clock, k, clock. Look, this one picture. What the boy is eating? This boy is eating corn. This boy is eating corn. Corn begins with phonic k, k, corn, k, corn. Okay, I have some sweets. What are these? What are these? These are candies. These are candies. Candies begins with phonic k, k, candies, k, candies. Okay. Are you listening some voices? What is in my hand? Do you know? Wait, I will open it. Look at this. These are colors. These are colors. I have lots of colors. Look at this. Lots of colors. Colors begins with phonic k, colors, colors. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.